Brian. And
Hi, I'm Tehran.
today we want to focus a little bit more about medical preparedness. As always, we'd like to share with you just some things that we've learned as a family, some of the steps that we've taken, and making you aware of them to see if any of them would be appropriate for you.
And if you're planning to take a trip, I love to go camping. My wife enjoys it a little less, and we always want to make sure that we have all the things that we need with us if we're traveling for remote. And sometimes it just could be a matter of your kid having diarrhea and you need something on hand and not have to run somewhere because you're Airbnb as a guest.
Exactly. So some of the things that we do is that we check if our medication, if we didn't use all of our medication or we got an extra refill and we'll get that, we'll actually keep it. The reason why is we've done the research. More than 90% of the top 100 pharmaceuticals have shelf-stable stability for more than 10 years. Yes, we know there's an expiration date on the bottle. And if you wish to do that, that's safe. But you could do the extra legwork, check PubMed, third party have verified.
It's not a matter of it turning to poison. It's a matter of losing some efficacy.
Right? Anytime it goes below 85%, then it's considered no longer efficacious. But most medications are more than 85% efficacious beyond 10 years. So in addition to keeping, as we recommend as part of our preparedness, making sure that you have an additional supply of critical meds, some of the other things that we've done is from different manufacturers, different vendors we've worked with, and we have a medium, and we have large medical kits between our two families.
These are companies that they'll set up some time with their local physician and their licensed dispense medicine, and they'll put together a kit for you. They're a bunch of different companies.
There really are. And they meet a variety. So whether it be antibiotics, prescription grade pain relief, but there's also things for urinary tract infections, respiratory tract infections. There's also things for whether you believe you have a parasitic infection. So different types of infections, there's also bronchial. So you can have bronchial dilators if people in your family are more susceptible to it, or you're going to be in conditions that they have more of an allergic response.
When you look at this looks like a lot. It could look daunting, but I had the same journey. I looked at what you have, and you have very comprehensive pharmaceutical storage. And what I learned over the years is do this in stages. Start by addressing some of the, for instance, the critical meds that your family needs. Then look at things that what if scenarios and build incrementally.
Step by step. If you have any additional questions, you'd like to go a little deeper, again, this segment is, as all of our segments are made for awareness, for a deeper conversation or deeper and richer resources, feel free to reach out to us at bepreparedsolutions.co.
Be safe, be happy, and be prepared.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Surprised, is this iPad still running?
Yeah.
I'm surprised it hasn't overheated yet.